If you've ever wondered how MailChimp knows when an email was opened, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly where MailChimp gets that open data, how to find it inside your account, and how to check the open rate for a sent campaign. This is a super useful feature if you want to understand how your emails are performing, see who's engaging with your content, and improve your future campaigns. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick and easy software guides. Let's jump in. First, open your web browser and go to MailChimp, then sign in using your account credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your MailChimp dashboard, where you can manage your audiences, campaigns, and reports all in one place. The key area we need is the campaign section, so look at the left-hand navigation menu and click Campaigns. Inside Campaigns, you'll see all of your email campaigns in one place. This includes drafts, scheduled emails, and messages that have already been sent. Since we want to see how MailChimp knows whether an email was opened, we need to look at a sent campaign. Find the campaign you want to review and then click View Report. Now you're on the campaign report page. This is where MailChimp shows the performance of that email in detail. At the top, you'll usually see a summary of the campaign's results, including the open rate, click rate, bounce rate, and unsubscribe rate. These metrics help you understand how recipients interacted with your message after it was delivered. To answer the main question, go to the open rate section. This is the part that tells you the percentage of recipients who opened your email, as well as the total number of opens. MailChimp tracks this using email engagement data tied to the campaign report, so you can quickly see how many people opened the message and how that compares to the total audience it was sent to. If you want to dig deeper, the report may also show additional engagement details such as individual activity and overall campaign performance trends. That can help you figure out whether your subject line was strong, whether your audience was active, and whether your email content encouraged people to open and click. So in simple terms, MailChimp knows an email was opened by recording the open activity inside the campaign report. And you can view that information by going to Campaigns, opening a sent campaign, and checking the open rate section. It's a quick way to measure engagement and improve your email marketing strategy over time. If this video helped clear things up, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.